show signs of stopping. I brought some corn for popping. Lots to turn way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Thank y'all so much. My name's Tiera Kennedy. I'll see y'all next time.
All right, Swift Current, give it up for Tiera Kennedy. Look at you all here this early Sunday morning. Nothing else going on? We really appreciate you showing up, though, because your community spirit really warms our hearts, so thank you. And I'm going to call from the Swift Current Salvation Army, Ian, come on out. And we have our very own CPKC employee, Kyle, with a check in the amount of $5,500. Mayor.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for bundling up and coming out this morning to celebrate the CPKC holiday train with us. I'm Mayor Al Bridle, as you may already know, and I'm thrilled to be here on behalf of both City Council and City Administration. The holiday train is something we look forward to every year. It's a wonderful tradition that we can be part of. And now with CPKC, the merger of Canadian Pacific and Kansas City Southern, it's amazing to see how this train connects communities across Canada, the USA, and Mexico. The holidays train's first journey began back in 1999, as we already heard about, and since then they've raised, again, more than $26 million and over 5 million pounds of food for local food banks, and it continues to chug along and make a real difference in all our communities. A big thank you for all of you for coming out this Sunday morning to enjoy this annual holiday tradition. Not only do we get to enjoy fantastic entertainment, we also have a chance to give back by donating to our local Salvation Army food bank. Your generosity helps so many families that find it quite hard this time of year, so thank you. From all of us at the City of Swift Current, we wish you joy, warmth, and plenty of holiday cheer. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good morning, everyone. My name's Captain Ian Scott, and I'm with the Salvation Army here in Swift Current, and we are so grateful to each of you for coming out, supporting this, for CPKC, for the donation. Just so you know, we serve over 500 families every month in Swift Current, and they are your friends and your neighbors, and you as the community are so generous to us. You allow us to serve the community on your behalf, and we thank you for that. Your generosity is amazing, and we will continue to provide when called upon. We will continue to walk alongside those that are finding it tough, and as you are showing this morning, your support for the community and for all of your friends and neighbors is just fantastic. So thank you very much. God bless and Merry Christmas.
Trees, a counter sign says follow your dreams. Westbound train makes the whole town shake. Friday night lights decide your fate. of church on that organ now. Come on. I know it's cold out here, so let's warm up. Let's get a hand in the air. Side to side, front to back. Get it up. Here we go. Sing it. Thank y'all so much. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. God bless you. Till next time.